Pulled meat is unbelievably tender and packed with flavour. I'm going to show you how to cook Texan-style shredded beef brisket, ready to serve with crunchy slaw, or use in everyday meals like our Tex-Mex pulled beef tacos. So let's get started. Before you put the beef in the slow cooker, make sure you brown it to get that beautiful caramelised flavour. You want to start by heating a frying pan with some oil. Season the brisket well. The pan's nice and hot, so I'm just going to add the beef. I like to press the meat down just to get that nice even golden colour. Then add it to the slow cooker. Arrange the onion around the beef in the slow cooker. Now for the liquid. I've got a jug with some stock. I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar, crushed garlic, maple syrup, Worcestershire sauce, tomato sauce, some mustard, smoked paprika, that gives that lovely barbecue smoky flavour, onion salt, garlic powder, some dried oregano leaves and cumin. And all you need to do is give that a good whisk. Then pour the liquid evenly over the beef. Then I'm just going to turn the beef to coat it evenly. It also creates steam to help cook the beef evenly and keep it juicy and tender. Put the lid on the slow cooker and cook on high for 4 hours or low for 6. When you're happy that the beef is tender enough to shred, keep cooking for another 30 minutes with the lid off to thicken the sauce slightly. Then turn it off and leave the beef to rest in the sauce for 15 minutes. Let's shred the beef. Take 2 forks and just gently pull the beef apart from the grain. You want even-sized pieces. Give it a stir to get the juices evenly through the meat. This is going to make it taste amazing. Season with salt and pepper. Here's how to use your Texan-style pulled beef to make tacos. You don't need all the pulled beef in this recipe, so you can freeze half and use for later. You can use it in toppings for pizzas or jacket potatoes for another night. I'm just going to add some taco seasoning to the beef in a large frying pan and just cook it for about 5 minutes. This combines the flavours and heats the beef through. Cook the tortillas on a hot char grill pan for about 1 minute each side. You want them lightly charred for the best flavour. And then pop them on a plate. Now it's time to get building. I've got a salad here of Savoy cabbage, red cabbage, carrot, and I've just tossed it with a bit of sour cream and sriracha sauce to give it that nice dressing. And I'm just going to place some of that onto the tortilla. And then just top with some of that beautiful pulled taco beef. Then top with some avocado. Drizzle with some of that sour cream and chili sauce. Add some jalapenos. Then finish with coriander and a squeeze of lime. By making the pulled beef ahead, you can have these tacos on the table in under 30 minutes. For more ideas, head to our Make It From Scratch playlist here.